Fruits and veggies, nuts and seeds will make you very healthy. With all the nutrients you need, they are very wealthy. In fibers, protein, vitamins, and nutrients, they are high. All the health that you may need, these health foods will supply. Nuts and seeds have vitamin E, their protein makes you strong. Don't forget the omega-3, so cells can do their job. Fruits and veggies, all of them do make you energetic. Best of all, they're tasty too, I hope you don't forget it. Now you know why you must eat your nuts, seeds, fruits, and veggies. Now next time that I sing this song,